My name is Tyler Miller. I'm with Precise Roofing and Restoration. We're out here at the residence of Robin and Robert Coley at 4309 Country Oaks Drive in Oxford, Alabama, 36203. Claim number 0741053557. We're out here today to do a repair test on a crease shingle. I'll show you what that. This is the shingle that we will be replacing. It has creasing along the top of the exposure. I just got a weird shot of my face. Is it on that left side over? No, it's caught right here. As you can see, starting to do that repair. The top of the shingle is starting to crease. It will not seal down properly. Next windstorm that comes through, this shingle will no longer be attached.